My dear Muslim friends, I have a question for you. I have a question for you. I have a question for you. It's a very simple question. Normally, I ask simple questions. You have been taught in your mosque that Jesus did not die. And when you read your Quran chapter 19, it says, verse 13, I read, "So peace be upon me the day I was born, and the day I die, and the day I get resurrected alive." That's what Jesus Christ is saying. Muslims, when you take your Quran, and I think in chapter 4, verse 157 to 158, Quran or Surah chapter 4, 157 to 158, it says, "And for their saying, we have killed the Messiah, Jesus, the son of Mary, the messenger of God. In fact, they did not kill him, nor did they crucify him, but it appears to them as if they did. Indeed, those who differ from him are in doubt about it. They have no knowledge of it, except the following of assumptions. Certainly, they did not kill him." Now, and then look at the verse 58 says that, "Rather, God raised him up himself. God is mighty and wise." These are my questions. Question number 1. Who was the one who was used to replace and crucified in place of Jesus Christ? Question number 2. Does this not affirm that your Allah says is the best deceiver? Does it not confirm and affirm that your Allah, when he says he's the best deceiver, is true? And that he claimed to have deceived the Romans and the Jews who came to crucify Jesus Christ by replacing Jesus Christ with somebody else. Is it not true that he's a deceiver? Presently, by believing him, or it is true he deceived the Romans and the Jews who said we're going to crucify Jesus Christ. Which one is the truth? Now let's look at the word in the Quran. The word says that the word says that resurrected alive is used in the Quran. The word resurrected, the meaning of the word resurrected, if somebody is resurrected, does it mean the person was alive and then he was resurrected, or the person was dead? Doesn't the word resurrected alive in the Quran means Jesus Christ died and he was resurrected, or there is a person who was resurrected when the person was alive? Is there any person? If there is, you can write it in the comment section and tell me. Name the person in your Quran or your Hadith who was resurrected, but that person did not die.